The next exercise we're going to perform is what's called an overhead pull, or sometimes commonly referred to as a cable lat pull down. So a lat pull down exercise is meant to strengthen the muscles of lats, strengthens your grip, and we can actually use it to help strengthen our abdominal muscles as well. So I'm going to show different variations of the cable lat pull down. All of them have a little bit different functions, different positions of where we have the hands, whether they're wide or whether they're close, or whether we're sitting on a ball or kneeling. We're going to go through a little bit of those variations. So the first variation I'm going to teach is a cable lat pull down when we're kneeling. So with a kneeling cable lat pull down, we're going to grasp, we're going to set our weight, and we're going to grasp the hands or the handles when we are in the kneeling position, and the handle should be high up. So again, with the cable lat pull down, you should be able to reach up, reach up to the handle. So you want the cable setting at the highest position. So we're going to kneel on the floor, and we're going to kneel as upright as possible. And then as we exhale, we're going to draw the belly button in towards our spine. Inhale, let the belly go forward as the arms come up. Exhale, draw the belly button in. And now what we can also do is we can try to pull our feet a little bit up off the floor. And what this will do is it actually helps to decompress our lumbar spine. So it actually helps with, a lot of people with back or lumbar disc injuries. So we can pull the feet up or try to just take the weight off the feet a little bit. So I'll show that showing that from the posterior position here, so we can see the feet. So as we exhale, draw the belly button in, we can keep the feet off of the floor. Now, this can also be done with handles that are a little bit tighter. So this machine's a little bit harder to demonstrate, but you can do this with one arm as you move closer and move with it, pull down with the elbow tight to your body. So if I were to show this from the forward position, pulling down with the elbow tight instead of the elbows wide. They're just different variations of the lat pull down. And we can also do this in a single arm fashion instead of two arm. So again, lifting the feet will help to decompress the lumbar spine a little bit. So again, just being able to keep the elbows wide with the two arm lat pull down, or you can scoot to the side and do it as a single arm lat pull down with our elbow in. You can also do a single arm lat pull down with the elbow wide as well. So the various variations, look at your workout sheet to determine which variation you're going to do. We're also going to go and practice a lat pull down. That's where we're going to be in a squat position. So you can also do a lat pull down where you are squatting, so where you're bowing forward a little bit in the squat position. Inhale, let the belly go forward as you raise the arms up. Exhale, drawing the belly button in. Being able to try to keep the back arched as much as possible and not letting your spine flex. So as I'm pulling, keeping the back arched as I do it, not letting my body curl under as I do it. So again, being able to keep that position, which I can also do if I want to do a close grip lat pull down. I can do it as a single arm exercise as well. And then we can also use it by sitting on the ball. So sometimes we need a little bit less, lower intensity of an exercise, so we can do it as well seated on the Swiss ball. You can also do it with one arm, and also one arm with a closer grip as we pull straight down. So whenever we do any of these variations of the lat pull down, we want to make sure that you're not feeling any pain or discomfort in the shoulder joint, that you're not feeling any pain or discomfort in the back, or any other joints in your, especially your neck as well. So just want to make sure that you understand that we want to be able to go and do this slowly, carefully, effectively, with the least amount of risk of injury as possible. So again, letting the arms extend up as we inhale, letting the belly go forward. Exhale, drawing the belly button in as we're pulling down. And this has been the cable lat pull down series.